Hi everyone, and welcome to this program. You are welcome to my channel. On this channel we talk about success because I believe your success is my success. So today we are going to look at a very important topic, and this topic that we are going to look at is entitled 5 Lies That Are Making You Poor. 5 lies that are making you and me poor. So we need to be very careful that we understand these lies, because if we don't understand that these are just meant to bring us into poverty, we will remain poor forever. So the first myth that is making a lot of people to be poor is that money is just meant to be spent. Whenever they receive their money, that money is spent. So if you have that tendency of spending whatever dollar that you are going to receive, you are going to be poor forever. Because money is not only meant to be spent, but it's meant to be invested into businesses. That is actually what the rich do. They invest their money into businesses. Once they invest that money will have to come back to them. But when you just spend your money is gone forever. It will go to those people who are going to utilize it. Remember last time we said, all your expenses are other people's incomes. Are you making other people's incomes by using your money? Or are you going to use your money to make income for yourself? That is a crucial question that you need to ask yourself. The second lie that is making a lot of people to be poor is the thinking that you need to work hard in order for you to become rich. When you look around, you compare those people who are laborers in the field and those people who are working in the offices. Amongst the two, let me ask you, who is getting a lot of money? The one who is working in the field or the one who is working in the office? You will discover that the one who is working in the office most of the time is the one who is getting a lot of money. So it's not the issue of working hard, but knowing how to work. You need to utilize leverage of human resource, time. You need to utilize those in order for you to not to be in poverty. You need to utilize, you need to leverage human resource. You need to leverage a lot of things so that you are not going to involve your physical resource, and that is your body, in the business, because your physical body is something that will come to an end very soon because of time. But if you are going to build your business using leverage of time, leverage of human resource, your business is going to stay for a long time. So leverage is very, very, very important. The third myth that is making a lot of people to be poor is the belief that greedy people are not good people. Rich people, not greedy people, but rich people are greedy people. There is always that hatred between the poor and the rich. The poor are hating the rich. They are saying these people are greedy. They don't want to share their resources. And this hatred is just bringing us into poverty, because when you hate someone who is rich, you tend to say these people, these rich people are practicing witchcraft, or maybe they are Satanists, that's why they are rich. And most of the times, all these allegations are not always true. So the most important that you should do is to come to them, learn what they are doing, and you are going to be successful. You are going to come out of poverty. So learn what they are doing. Learn from them. Ask them why they are rich. Ask them what are they doing in order for them to be rich. Once you are going to do that, you are going to be successful. So the fourth point that is making us to be poor is the belief that money cannot bring happiness. Hence we comfort ourselves. We say, I'm not going to look for money. And most of the times we even quote the Bible by saying, money is the root of all evil. So we say money cannot bring happiness. This is not true. We cannot say money cannot bring happiness, because if you are going to compare people, someone who is poor and someone who is rich, and you compare them, who among the two is sad all the time? You will discover that a poor person is always sad. So there is no need for you and me to comfort ourselves by saying money cannot bring happiness. Because even right now, the fact that you are gloomy all the time, you are sad all the time, is because you don't have money. If you are going to be given money or you get money, you are even going to change. You even change the way you walk, the way you eat, the way you speak. So you are going to change. So we need to be very careful that we don't comfort ourselves by saying that it does not bring happiness. The last point that is a myth that is bringing you and me into poverty is the concept of saying that we need to work for money. Working for money all the time. There is always time for you to work for money, but you should graduate. I should graduate from working for money. We should make sure that money should be utilized as a servant that should work for you and me. Put your money into investments. Buy some shares in some companies. Once you buy some shares in some companies and also utilize your money to work for you, you will discover that you are not going to work for money, but money will work for you. So thank you very much for tuning in to this channel, and I encourage you to like this video, comment, and don't forget to share, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that each time I upload a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. So thank you very much for taking your time. Thank you. Bye.